Here we go. All right, then the next house we're going to, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, from the same factory. This factory is very popular. It's got a classy design. It's tucked back in there pretty tight, so I'm just gonna kind of go around this end, then we'll go inside. I love this color. I believe this is the iron ore. All right, let's go inside this one. With the white trim. Now the previous one was in the vinyl, this one's in the smart panel, same factory. They're both really popular. Just had a family close on one today. They're so excited. They came in from Kansas. So we got folks coming from Kansas, Missouri, Arkansas, Oklahoma. Now this door here, do you like this door better or the door on the previous one that they call it the shotgun slot that has a little tiny window? Which door do y'all like better? Comment in the comments below. Now as we go into this one, I love the colors they picked out in this one. Anniversary model. This is the Islander with the island. Now one thing that's really popular about this house, we'll come back around here in just a second. What's really popular about this house, of course, is the built-ins. And then the big windows, as you see up top. Love those built-ins. As we spin around here, you got the fancy sliding glass door. Really like that. This is a classy house. Just has a luxurious feel with the stainless appliance package. But here's what I want to show everybody. You like a pantry? Check this out. Big old pantry. I think this has the biggest pantry of the anniversary homes from this factory. Then as you come down through here, there's where your laundry goes. Got your washer dry hookups. And yes, it has the main water cutoff right there. And yes, somebody was asking me, are these all wired for going off the grid? I said, yes, they are. Absolutely, they are. But that's a huge pantry, love that. You can shut that off as the washer and dryer are going. I don't know, sometimes my wife likes to have that washer dryer going at 9 p.m. I just have that door shut, it's kind of nice. Okay, here in the primary bedroom, has the nice fan ductwork for your heat and air up top. Really nice. And then let's look in this bathroom. So you see here has the big tub. So imagine if you had the black faucets, the Pfister faucets. Oh, another thing is these Pfister faucets, lifetime warranty. If you get it without the tub, they have extra storage and a linen closet here, but this one has the tub with the shower. Love that. All right. Really nice. Great decorating here. I love the decorators. They make it look so nice. So this is the primary bedroom, again with the great big oversized window. And then your closet in here is really oversized and large. Goes way back in there. I got the light to see what we're doing. Come back down into the open living concept. I love this layout. Love this. Get an angle of this island. I love this island. There it is. You got your plug in. You want to do a little work while you're sitting in here watching TV with the family. Pull out the laptop. Got your farm sink, everybody. I know you love that. The window over the sink. Stainless package. I was gonna ask y'all too, they've gone with the Samsung now. We got Samsung in all these homes. Give me comments below. What are y'all thinking about Samsung? I've been hearing good things. I'd like to know what everybody thinks. What do you think of these built-ins here? Give me comments on that. I love these built-ins. Oh, and something else the factory rep was telling us is if you're hooking in right here for your cable, then the drop right outside, you can just go outside and look up underneath, and that's where you hook into it to get it going. Another bedroom here. Check out your closet. Really good sized closet. A lot of families are just getting started. They put the baby in here. Perfect size for a room for the little one. For families getting started. Or if you got guests spending the night, they can go right there. Guest bedroom. Okay, here we go. Got the big system here. Carrier Smart Comfort Heat and Air System. I love these louvered doors. Everybody's been complimenting they love the louvered doors. There's your hot water heater. Got your Ecobee. You got Wi-Fi, you can hook right into that. Nice full bath. Okay, now let's step into the other bedroom here. Take a look. Great big closet in this one. One more shot going down into the living area here. How do y'all like the colors of this one with the white cabinets and the dark countertops? So it's not really black, it's dark color, but it has some nice gray in it mixed in. I don't know if you can see that as I come up on it. Just a classy, timeless look. Really nice. Really, really nice.